Okay, let's check the question number one. Question number one. Here is a survey on a campus about the laptop brand and owned by college students. And HP, Lenovo, Asus, Dell, like this. And here, for you, because you got the test paper, and I didn't give you the digital files. Then the basic way, for example, the first one, Acer, you can make a mark over there, like this one. Acer, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this one, 5, like this one. And after you calculate, pardon me? Six? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Here. Thank you for the reminder. Yep. Like this one. Frequency is there 6. Like this one. Thank you for the reminder. I missed that. And another way, let me show you how did I do this one. The first question, do like this. And let me tell you how to do this one. For me, if you have the chance to get the questions like this, and here, just select the range, and here, or you can do that, Control F to find Acer, then get that. Okay, and it means there are 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here is 6 because you cannot count that one on the table. How about the apple? And find all 5. Actually, excluding this one, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. Okay, after that, we got the number 6, 4. Oh, sorry. This is the older file. Sorry. I have a new file. Yeah, here is the correct one. 6, 4, 8, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Okay, now you have the basic numbers over here. Okay, let me show you that. Like this one. And how can you get the other one? The first one, relative frequency. That frequency lists all decimals. And how can you get this one? The frequency, the sum is 32. How can you get 32? It's very easy. Click this empty cell and click this and click the symbol equal. We have sum, S-U-M, parentheses from here to here, and click enter. That is 32. Okay, get it? And now we know the relative frequency. It means the individual divided by the total number. The individual click here equals B4 divided by 32. 32 is the sum. Thus, we got how much? We got 0.19. And you can click when we select this one, move to the down right corner, then the mouse becomes a cross. Click the key and hold the key, drag it, and release. Okay, okay. And we got the answer. We got the answer. As the second one. And now, how to calculate the degrees for a pie chart? Theoretically, one pie chart that is 360 degrees. 360 degrees. And now we know one thing. 360, you can use this one or that one. Either one is okay. Either one is okay. And I prefer to use the individual number divided by 32 times 360. Let me show you. Here, click here and click the symbol equal. The number, click before slash divided 32 and time 360 and click enter and drag it down. Okay, get it? Questions? Questions? And next question, how to draw a histogram of this one and how to picture a pie chart of this one. Okay, like this one. I use the LibreOffice. You can use the Google Office. Either one is okay. I can select the range here. Select the range and insert. Oh, sorry. Okay. So that is not in English. Let me try. 1 minute, please. Oh, sorry. Let me switch to interface to English. 1 minute, please. Okay. Let me create a new spreadsheet. Okay, and now I can select the range here. It depends on how to do that. For example, I like this one. And select the range and insert chart. This one. Okay, and here remember to add the x-axis, the brand name. No. Oh, sorry. I use that one from here. Okay. Let me explain. The x-axis you can write the brand name of laptop here, and the y-axis the frequency, relative frequency here. Okay, and the title is a survey of the title of this figure. That is a survey of laptop brand used by college student. Okay, this one. And next question. Next question. And I use only this one and insert pie chart. No, not this one. Insert pie chart. No, that's okay. Pie chart. Okay, that is this one. Again, here the title is the brand name of laptop used by college students. Is it okay? Is it okay? Don't forget the title. Don't forget the title. Okay, let's move to the question 2. Question 2. Okay. Question 2. $1 plants and malt bean sprouts. There is one of the records about the time and height. About the time and height. Days from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the height of the malt bean sprout, that's 0, 0.1, 0.2, like this one. Please make a time series plot in a file and upload it. Okay, and now, if you can do that, you can type by yourself, but this moment I prefer to copy and paste. For example, I can, this one, copy, and to our have a new sheet, Q2, okay. Past spatial transposed. Oh, come on, not this one. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, now I have this, and now I select all of them, and insert chart. And now what I need is about the XY spread. Suggest no, high base time is white, it's okay. Scattered, oh yeah, scattered chart like this one. You can use a line or dot, either one is okay. Or like this one. And the x-axis times in day, and the y height in centimeter. Is it okay for you? Okay, let's move to the question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. $1 select 8 dogs in an animal hospital, and their weights in kilograms are this one. Please list the number from small to big. Here, I copy and paste. Copy. And have Q3. Okay, and sure, I have the dogs. Okay, and select the range and data sort from small to big. Okay, and now here is the data from small to big. Okay, for the question, please list the number from small to big. That is 9.4, 9.5, like this one. And the answer looks like this. Like this one. Like this one. Okay, and next. Please find a median. Median, do you remember the definition of median? When the number is even, the even number is the average of the middle two, and please find the average weight of that. Okay, please find the median. The median is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the middle two, the average of middle two, 11.8 plus 12.8 divided by 2, that will be 12.3. Is it okay? Thus, the median here is the 0.3. Like this one. $11.3. And next question, how about the average weight of that to the 3 decimals? And let me tell you how to do that. Average, there are 2 ways to do that. The first one, you can calculate the sum. The second one, you can use the Excel, the function. I prefer to use, please click equal, average, from C4 to C11. Okay, that's correct. The average is 11.925. 11.925. Thus, we get that the average weight of the dogs is 11.925. Okay, so far any question? And next, question number 4. Suppose a vet wants to analyze the weight of cats. The weights in kilograms of the 6 cats are 3.7, 5.2, blah, 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 like this. Find the deviation of each data values. Okay, and first of all, we need sort the 6 weights in a line. Thus, I just copy Yeah, maybe you can 3.7, 5.2, 4.2, 3.8, 4.1, and 4.8. And the same, select the range and use the data sorting. Okay, we got the answer here. We got the number here. And what's the question? The first question, what is the X bar? X bar means the sample average. Sample average. Okay, and we got that. Click here, and click equal average C4 to C9. That's correct. And answer 4.2 kilograms. The first one, X bar, that's 4.2 kilograms. And how about the median? The median is 4.15. How can you get that? Remember, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers of that. And the median, the middle two, the average of the middle two, 4.1 plus 4.2, the average is 4.15. 4.15 of this one. This one, okay. And next, what is the minimum? The minimum is, after we sorted the smallest one, the minimum. How about the maximum? Maximum is the largest one, 5.2. What's the range? The range is 1.5. 5.2 minus 3.7, that is 1.5. And please fill in the table to 2 decimals. First, we list the weight of case from little to big, and the sum is 25.8. The sum 25.8, we can get that. Okay, next. How about the x minus x bar? X bar is 4.3 here. X bar is 4.3 here. And we can do that. And you can here type equal, click here, that is C4 slash divided by 4.3, and click. And here I ask you to write down to 2 decimals, right? 2 decimals, and drag it, get all answers, select a range, and decrease decimal places. Okay, here is the answer. Okay, so far any question? Okay, and next, how about the square root? So now square. The square of x minus x bar. Very easy. Click here. Click here and move to the function equals this one and square. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. Sorry. I'm sorry. Here is C4 minus 4.3, not divided. I'm sorry. Okay, get it? That's we can see the answer minus 0.5, and the square is 0.36, like this one. And theoretically, because everyone subtract the mean, the sum should be 0. Because some are pluses, some are minuses, so that's it. And get a sum, that's 1.27. Sum. Click 1.27. Okay, so far for question number 4 and the question. Yeah, if you want to understand that, you can check my video. I'm live streaming now. Questions? How about then move to question number 5? Yeah, some of you did a good job, so I think it's not a big question. Question number 5. Sorry. Here is one. Please calculate the standard deviation of this one. There are 2 ways to calculate that. The first one, you can use the easy way. Standard deviation, we can use this here, equals standard deviation, simple, okay? And from the range here, okay, check it. Understand? Okay. The second way, you can use the formula. Pardon me? Again, okay. There are 2 ways. The first one, here, click here, standard deviation, move to that, click equal, and the command is std, this one, std evs, s for sample, and click this one, and parentheses, select the range here from 3.7 to 5.2, and click enter, and we got the answer. Is it okay? Okay, and the second way is a little bit complicated, like this one. Do you remember the standard deviation? Okay, I prefer to say that is SD. Standard deviation, that is square root of sigma x minus x bar, take the square root, and here is key point. Here is n minus 1. Because it's a sample deviation. And now we know the sum is here. The sum is 1.72. and there are 6 numbers. 6 minus 1. Either one is okay. Questions? Yeah. If you can understand, please review my video. Okay, let's move to next question. Okay, question number 5. Similar to example on the textbook, is as number. Total assets in TWD, in New Taiwan dollars, is like this. Please fill the blanks like this one. The number, the minimum, Q1, Q median, Q3, and this time, in the future, I will give you a website. You just copy, paste, and you get everything. But this moment, I ask your help. You need to understand everything here. Let me copy. Okay, copy, paste, I got the answers. And now, I copy it again. I use data sort from small to big. I get it. And okay, the question. The first one, what's the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. N is 11. What's the minimum? The minimum is here. 208. What's the maximum? Maximum is the largest one. 278. Okay, and now the trouble is, who is the median? Since there are 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number 6 is in the middle one. That is the median. Okay, and who is the Q1? Q1 is the first part. Do not include the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. Thus, the median of the median is Q1. This one. Q1 is 222. 222 is here. Who is the Q3? 1, 2, 3. This gentleman is the Q3. Q3, 261. 61. Okay, and next question. Who is the IQR? IQR is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1. 278 minus 222. That is 7. And next question. What is the mean? I still have some time to explain this. Maybe 10 more minutes. If you are busy, you can leave the classroom now. What is the mean? How to calculate the mean? Here. Mean, click, equal, average, select the range, and click answer. That is this one. 2 decimals, that would be 243.81. Okay, let's move to next question. Question number 6. Suppose you conduct an experiment when you pull a card from a center deck. Keep the denominator as 52. Okay. The first one, the probability of getting a diamond and the number is less than 6, S is always the 1. So how about the probability? How about the probability? Let's check it here. A diamond and less than 7, a diamond less than 7, there will be S, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 numbers, so the answer is 6 over 52. 6, sorry, less than 6. Sorry, I'm wrong, not 7. 5 over 52. Here the answer. And the next question, the probability getting a car is equal or larger than 7. Equal to or larger than 7. Let's check it. Any kind of card. Okay. Thus we have diamond, we have heart, we have spade. Oh, sorry, I'm a horrible drawer. Okay. And we have a club. And the question is, larger, equal to or larger than 7, the answer will be 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, and King. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, and there are 4 types. That will be 28. And the denominator is 52. So the answer is, sorry, what did I, 7? Oh, sorry. 28 is here. 28 is here. Okay. Then next, question number 7. Suppose your experiment is to roll ABC3 dice. How about the combinations in a sample space? How about a sample space? Because one die has 6 sides. One die has 6 sides. Thus, the answer is 6 times 6 times 6. That is 216. 260. Okay. And list all events to get a sum of 4. List all events of sum of 4. For example, the first die is 1. Second die is 1. The third die is 4. Only this combination can make a sum of 4. 114, 141, 211. Here is the answer. Okay. And what's the probability to get the sum of 17? What's the probability to get a sum of 17? Actually, the combination is the die shows on 566, 656, 665, and the probability is this one. Okay. Sorry, I overused the class time. Any question, please let me know. Questions? And if I miscalculate your score, please let me know. And if you forget to, if I forget to check your attendance, please come here. Okay. See you next week. Have a nice Monday. Just keep it, reserve it. You don't need to return it. If I made a mistake on the calculation, please let me know. 1 minute, please. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.